Yes, good evening and welcome to the Dubai International Cricket Stadium here in the United Arab Emirates for the resumption of the Vivo IPL 2021. And what a contest we have on our hands between the two most storied franchises in the world's greatest T20 league. The battle of the Blues and the Yellows. Very, very excited about this opening contest for the restart of the Vivo IPL 2021. Chennai Super Kings taking on the Mumbai Indians, match number 30. Hardik was out there with the captains a while ago, Aaron Pollard and MS Dhoni. MS won the toss and elected to bat first. Let's go. The restart of Vivo IPL 2021 doesn't get bigger than this. Can Trent Bolt find any swing? Gaikwad has had a problem against left-arm seam. On target. In fact, in the first game they played this season in Delhi. Shot, big shot. First one down. Trent Bolt strikes in the power play as expected. In a swing there. One over gone, 1 for 1. Got another one. Adam Mills strikes now. Oh goodness, that came back at him. And he thought it was, that could be significant. It's actually nipped back. You see it from a different angle. That's come back at him. You see the spot there already. It's swollen.
There's an issue. There could be a real issue here. Straight on bone, I think we're going to see a substitution here. This is not good for CSK. I think we might see Raina. Yep, he's up.
Raina will be tested here because historically, as we all know, teams have gone hard at him with a short ball. And this surface looks amenable to that delivery. Soft. Raina goes, troubled by the pace.
Ball down the wicket and it's edged away. Lovely, really nice pull shot. Just taken in the air. I thought it was going wide to Trent Bolt.
Yeah, tougher shot to play there, but easier downtown.
In the gap. And that's perhaps why in the back of that he's got an international call up with a couple of T20 internationals. Half century.
Slow ball, high, wide, handsome. This one's going away down to Kyle Pollard, the skipper, and leaving a wicket. Ball pulled up. There's a way down towards long off, and over long off it goes. This one high, and way over extra cover. Short this time, out to the left side, there'll be 6 more. Bravo dealing in 6s at the moment. Oh, how well, sounded so good, I don't think he's got enough. And again, this one should be out. Will be out, very comfortable in the end for Pandya, and Bravo's innings comes to an end. And last ball, where does Boomer go? Does he go back to that favoured Yorker? He tries, and Gaikwad says, oh, that's some of that! Thank you very much! What a finish to the innings, and what innings from this young man. Mumbai Indians, Bolt and Boomer at the back end. 157 required from the 20 overs, 7.85 for the Mumbai Indians to start the second stanza of Vivo IPL 2021 with a win.
Top class. Straight across it. They go for the review.
Pitching in line, back in line. Gill, you're on screen. You need to reverse your ball.
Change that to long term.
Top class and unacademy cracking 6.
Ball down, slow ball, pass off. Trying to shot too early, brilliant. Jahan in the power plays, outstanding. Through the gap, but just not enough on it. High, has he got away? I don't think he has. Mistimed it completely, but you see, never dropping that. Never dropping that. Drives through the gap now, away to the boundary for 4. Nice start, Salif Tiwari.
And there it is. Interesting field. Interesting wicket. Well planned. Well executed from Bravo. I thought he mishit that. I really did.
Has he got it in front? Yes, he has. It is Karen Pollard going to review this.
Pitching outside off, impact in line. Nathan, you are on the screen. Stay with your
Given
ball.
out by Nathan Menon. It's 87 for 5.
Oh, they had the game by the scruff of its neck only a couple of hours ago.
Okay.
Ah, what are we seeing here? Collapse. Out. Gone.
How high? Did Dhoni get there? He wants it. Man with the glove says, yeah, oh dear. Oh dear. It was straight to Bravo. That's better. That's better. Has he got enough? I think he has. And swings out to the man at mid-wicket. Should be taken. Is very comfortable. That does not help. 54 Salif Tiwari, but it will feel a little bit empty. Gone. Good catch. Raina. Bravo strikes again, as he does so often in these back end. Last ball. Another slow ball. It will be just the one. And it will be the Chennai Super Kings who get the second stanza of Vivo IPL.
As you can see, they've begun now the second half of the IPL well, the Chennai Super Kings. Win by 20 runs.